This is an audiovisual presentation on algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a collection of letters and symbols combined with at least one of the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I repeat. An algebraic expression is a collection of objects and symbols combined with at least one of the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now let's look at addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Example: simplify the following expression: 4x plus 2y plus 3x plus 5y. B. 2p minus 3q plus 3p plus 5q. C. x squared plus x plus 2x squared. Now this is the algebraic expression we are given to simplify. Now let's look at how best we can solve this algebraic expression. With the example in A, we are given 4x plus 2y plus 3x plus 5y to simplify. What we do is to add the like terms. So we have 4x plus 3x, that is 4x plus 3x, plus 5y plus 5y, 2y plus 5y. And that is how come we have 2y plus 5y. Now 4x plus 3x equals 7x, plus 2y plus 5y equals 7y. Now I repeat, we were given 4x plus 2y plus 3x plus 5y to simplify. So we have to add the like terms. We have 4x here, 3x here. So we have 4x plus 3x. We have 2y here plus 5y here. So we have 2y plus 5y. Now 4x plus 3x equals 7x. And 2y plus 5y equals 7y. Now B. 2p minus 3q plus 3p plus 5q. This is because we have to group the like terms. So we have 2p here, 3p here. So we have 2p plus 3p. Minus 3q plus 5q. That's minus 3q plus 5q. Now 2p plus 3p is equal to 5p. And minus 3q plus 5q is equal to 2q. So we have 5p plus 2q in general. That is the answer. Now given x squared plus x plus 2x squared. We have our x squared here. We have 2x squared here. That is, they have the same x squared. And so we can add them since they are like terms. They have like terms. So x squared plus 2x squared plus x. Coefficient of the x squared here is 1. And 1 plus 2 will give us 3. And the term is x squared. So we have 3x squared plus x. We have 3x squared plus x. Now multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. Let's look at how we can multiply algebraic expressions. Example: simplify the following expression. A. 5xy squared times 4x exponent 4y exponent 3. B. 16a³ squared divided by 2ab. Solution: given 5xy squared times 4x exponent 4y³. We have x here, we also have x raised to the power here. So the first thing we do, because we are multiplying, we multiply the coefficient. So 5 times 4, that will give us 20. Now with the x here, the exponent is 1. And with the x here, the exponent is 4. So we keep one of the base constant, that is x constant. Then we add the exponent, 1 and 4. That's how come we have 1 plus 4. Then y. The exponent here is 2 and the exponent here is 3. So we have y exponent 2 plus 3. Now in all, this is equal to 20 x exponent 5 y exponent 5. That is the solution. Now b, 16a cubed b squared divided by 2ab. So this can be written as 16a cubed b squared divided by 2ab. Now 2 goes into 16 8 times. That's how come we have 8 here. And a goes into a cube. We are left with a square. And that's how come we have a square. And b goes into b square, b. So in general, in all, 16a cubed b square divided by 2ab is equal to 8a squared b. Now let's look at how we can remove brackets. Removing brackets. Example, simplify the following expression: 4 into bracket x plus 1 plus 2 into bracket 2x plus 1. Then 5a plus 2 into bracket 2a minus 3 plus 4. These are the expressions we are given to simplify. Now a, we are given 4 into bracket x plus 1 plus 2 into bracket 2x plus 1. To simplify, the first thing we have to do is to expand. The first thing we have to do is to expand. So 4 times x is 4x, plus 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 times 2x is 4x, plus 2 times 2 is 2. Now we have 4x here, 4x here. So we have 4x plus 4x. And the constants are 4 and 2. So we have plus 4 plus 2. Now 4x plus 4x equals 8x. And 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So in all, the answer is 8x plus 6. Now, if you are given 5a plus 2 into bracket 2a minus 3 plus 4, how do we simplify this? We have to expand the bracket. We have to open up the bracket. Now we have 5a plus 2 times 2a is 4a. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 plus 4. Now minus 6 plus 4 will give us minus 2. And 5a plus 4a will give us 9a. Algebraic fractions. Now how do we multiply? Multiplication. Given a over b times x over y. With multiplication, we multiply the numerators divided by multiplication of the denominators. So we have a times x divided by b times y. Now a times x is ax and b times y is by. Example, simplify the following: 12xy divided by 7 times 14x divided by 20. B, 3ab divided by 12c squared d cubed times 10d exponent 4 all divided by 9a squared. Now let's look at how best we can solve this problem. Solution: A, 12xy divided by 7 times 14x divided by 20. So we multiply the numerators. That is 12xy times 14x. So we have 12xy times 14x divided by 7 times 20. Divided by 7 times 20. So now 4 goes into 20 5 times. 4 goes into 25 times, and that is how come we have 5 here. 4 goes into 12 3 times, and that is how come we have 3xy here. 7 goes into 7 once, so we have 1 here. But 7 goes into 14 is 2x, because 7 goes into 14 2 times. So we have 3xy divided by 1 times 2x divided by 5. Now 3xy times 2x will be equal to 6x squared y, because the exponent of the x here is 1 and the exponent here is 1. So when we keep one of the x, that's the base constant, we add 1 to 1, and that's how come we have square. So 6x squared y divided by 5. Now solution B, 3ab divided by 12c squared d cubed times 10d exponent 4 divided by 9a squared. And this is equal to, so we multiply the numerators, 3ab times 10d exponent 4 all divided by 12c squared d cubed times 9a squared. Now a goes into a once, and a goes into a square, we are left with a. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. And that's how come we have 3a here and b up here. Now 2 goes into 10 5 times. And 2 goes into 12 6 times. D cube goes into d exponent 4, and we are left with d. That's how come we have 5d. So this is equal to b times 5d divided by 6c squared times 3a. And b times 5d is equal to 5bd. And 6c squared times 3a will be equal to 18ac squared. 18ac squared. So this is equal to 5bd divided by 18ac squared. Now addition and subtraction. Example, simplify the following: a minus b over 3 plus 3a divided by 2. b, 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus x plus 3 divided by 2. So what we do is to find the LCM. So from a minus b divided by 3 plus 3a divided by 2, the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now 3 goes into 6 2 times. So we multiply 2 by the expression at the numerator. So we have 2 times a minus b plus 2 goes into 6 3 times. And when we multiply 3 by the numerator, we have 3 times 3a. Now we expand. 2 times a is 2a. 2 times minus b is minus 2b. Plus 3 times 3a is 9a. All divided by 6. So we have 2a minus 2b plus 9a divided by 6. Now let's group the terms. So we have 2a plus 9a minus 2b divided by 6. Now 2a plus 9a equals 11a minus 2b divided by 6 divided by 6. Now solution. B, 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus x plus 3 divided by 2. So we find the LCM, and the LCM of 3 and 12. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Now 3 goes into 6 2 times. So we multiply 2 by 2x minus 1, and that's what we have in the bracket. Minus 2 goes into 6 3 times. Then we multiply 3 by x plus 3. Now 2 times 2x equals 4x. 2 times minus 1 equals minus 2. Minus 3 times x equals minus 3x. And minus 3 times plus 3 is equal to minus 9. Now let's group the like terms. So we have 4x here, minus 3x here. Then we also have minus 2 here and minus 9 here. So grouping the terms, we have 4x minus 3x minus 2 minus 9. Now 4x minus 3x is x. Minus 2 minus 9 is minus 11. So we have x minus 11 all divided by 6. This is the end of our presentation.